Oh, sunflowers, don't you just love them? You can't have a garden without sunflowers, and they're great for kids too because they love growing them and seeing how high they grow. With sunflowers though, we often think about really tall plants, but you can get lots of different varieties. I grew one last year called Teddy Bear, and absolutely lovely bright orange flowers, and quite a number of flowers to each plant, and probably only grew to about 3 foot. So don't always think large flowers, also think about smaller flowers and smaller plants. But today I am actually going to plant or sow Russian Giant, which is one of the taller ones. Apparently the tallest sunflower was 30 feet high, so that was pretty impressive. We do have a competition at work actually to see who can grow the tallest sunflower. I did come second in my first year, but because I only came second I haven't tried again because I'm a bad loser. So here we go. All you need to do, get a pot about that size. It's about 4 inches deep, about 3 inches diameter. The round pots are fine, I'm using square pots. Pop in your multi-purpose compost, and the seeds are really easy to handle. They're generally about that size and great again for little fingers to use, if you've got children. So all you need to do then is pop it into the compost about 1 inch deep, cover it with a little bit more compost. So there we are, it's about 1 inch deep in there, and then this compost is quite damp already, so there's no need to water in. But if your compost is dry, then just water in. Make sure you label it, Giant Russian in this case. And if you sow those in March or even April, put them on a warm windowsill. They should grow without any problem. You can give them a little bit of heat and moisture by placing a cut-off pop bottle. Pop them in there. When they grow to about 5 inches, they're ready really to be moved outside, but you must wait till all fear of frost has gone, so usually the end of May. Sow them or plant them next to a wall, but make sure it's about 1 foot away so they've got plenty of soil underneath them. And you may need to stake them a little, particularly if you're in a windy or exposed plot. Do look out for slugs, because slugs will tuck into them if you're not careful. You don't always have to grow the larger ones. If you grow smaller ones, you can scatter them around your plot, and they look great mixed in with all the other veg that you might be growing. So sunflowers must have flower in your garden.